Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most extraordinary homes across the world. Today, we're exploring a modern luxury mansion that combines bold black architecture, elegant golden accents, and soft blue lighting, creating a look that feels both futuristic and timeless. From the moment our drone lifts into the air, you can already tell that this property stands out. Clean horizontal lines, giant glass panels, and a stunning geometric facade make this home feel like a piece of art. Now let's head down to the entrance and begin the full tour. As we approach the entrance, you're greeted by a massive pivot door framed in matte black metal, highlighted with golden LED strips. Inside, the foyer opens into double-height ceilings that make the space feel grand and open. Polished black flooring, a custom chandelier, and soft blue ambient lighting give this entrance a cinematic glow. It sets the tone for the entire home, bold, clean, and undeniably luxurious. To the left of the foyer is a stylish guest bathroom. Even this smaller space uses premium materials, black marble walls, gold fixtures, and soft blue under-cabinet lighting. It's modern, minimal, and designed to impress. Now we step into the heart of the home, the kitchen. This is a chef's dream setup, featuring black stone countertops, high-end appliances, and custom cabinets with golden handles. The underlighting brings a blue tint that adds depth and modern energy. A large central island creates a perfect spot for cooking, serving, or just hanging out with family. The open concept keeps everything airy and connected. Moving forward, the dining space blends perfectly with the kitchen. A long dining table with a glossy black finish sits under a modern chandelier. Blue accent lighting around the ceiling creates a warm but modern atmosphere during evening dinners. Large windows flood the room with natural light, keeping everything bright during the day. This home even includes a self-contained annex, perfect for guests, extended family, or even a private office setup. It includes a bedroom, a compact living space, a small kitchen, and a bathroom. The color theme continues here too. Black, gold, and blue details give it a cohesive feel with the main house. Now here comes one of the show-stopping areas of this property, the indoor pool and spa. Blue water reflections bounce across the black stone tiles. Soft golden lights illuminate the edges, making the entire space feel luxurious and relaxing. This area includes a steam room, jacuzzi, lounge beds, and sliding glass doors that open to the outdoor garden. It feels like a five-star resort inside your own home. Moving into the main lounge, you'll notice oversized black sofas, golden decor elements, and blue LED lighting built into the walls. Large floor-to-ceiling windows keep the room bright, while the dark interior gives it a warm, cozy vibe. For car lovers, this home includes a private car showroom. Glossy black flooring, golden ceiling lights, and blue accent reflections create the perfect backdrop for showcasing luxury cars. It feels like a high-end dealership built right inside the mansion. Next, we step into the home cinema. Black acoustic walls, blue neon strips, and a giant screen turn this space into a perfect movie night zone. Behind the seats is a stylish bar area with golden backlighting, ideal for snacks, drinks, and entertainment. Now we enter the principal suite, a true masterpiece. The bedroom features a custom king-sized bed with golden side lighting, black textured panels, and soft blue glow around the ceiling. Behind the bed, a full glass wall offers a view of the garden and pool. The suite includes a massive walk-in closet and a spa-style bathroom with black marble, golden fixtures, and blue LED lighting. All secondary bedrooms follow the same design theme. Black and gold color combinations. Blue ambient lighting, large windows, built-in storage, stylish modern bathrooms. Each room balances luxury with comfort, making them perfect for family or guests. We finish the tour outside where you can see the full scale of this property. The blue-lit swimming pool, golden exterior lines, and black stone pathways all come together to make this mansion truly unforgettable. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which part of the house you loved the most.